Kotoko will say, yeah. Master, but bless the also we serious. Bless the also we serious. Papa. Wouldn't me man penny for your moon show mutura 90 minutes and sana last minute what be your penalty and win you. Kotoko bless the also we serious. After 90 minutes of football action or Barbarian Sports Stereo, Asante Kotoko 2, Young Apostles 1, goal scored by none other than Kumasi Asante Kotoko captain and a final minute of both whom Asante Kotoko Samba Unel, yes, and a Hubert Joe in the first half, or two Atenedikai for Kumasi Asante Kotoko, Kumapema Pemeba, Esa Moto, Yavon Kuchalo to that, and then we tension room pass. Asante Kotoko players also we are very serious. Na in seminar nyinano ye de bro line up Asante Kotoko di remu no e wa ha me de Asia e wo fie ha se me nche kra enne me go straight to the issues line up no eni wunim say Asante Kotoko first choice goalkeeper ye Mohamed Kamara de oni man mu sisi a me no ka say no national team duty ebia echina and obe join Kumasi Asante Kotoko based on reporter men say ka Kwame Poku return to action for Kumasi Asante Kotoko na Kwame Poku ne return there wo me yemfa no kren cancel Kotoko ni strikers make say top Kwame Poku is rusty Donzo no go no ntimi she but or you efficient in terms of nyoma bi yes Donzo you efficient in terms of nyoma bi yenka no kre onye clinical ewe anim wo se wo de ball be mana hye na emum no ne work rate no ewo soro pa work rate no wo soro. This is an important win. Alaji Guza ne kana say me said the most important thing is that the 3 points is secure. So mami mia mi she so na afi me presentation here, but the most important thing is that 3 points no is secure. Ma unim say your take for Young Apostles in the first half no Asante Kotoko go ni by 55th minute. 55th minute no. Hubert Joe share goal no. And check and a Richmond Opoku. Into we have to media to screen so Richmond Opoku in 2024. Players are Asante Kotoko Joe mo kwan no. He was part of them. Hwe no on da ho no na ya twere Opoku. Oh no. So ono na take kanema Kumasi Asante Kotoko. No. Me the lineup ne bro kwaya goals ne for asubai nyina anopa na the story be ba said Lord Amwade also Black Star your friend and then what done clearly say or your Black Star material Kumasi Asante Kotoko game ni nyina on the hey me poor game no me take bibia na me back straight into the studio but minim said ono na nsabe come man of the match Lord Amwa ono na nsabe come man of the match. He was very instrumental. Hubert Jones she go ball but then Omumienu one and Sabeka man of the match biano. Enyame wanwa kra. But players no also we are very serious. Kotoko ball draw. Emma netwa so third time. The players also get your market so kra. The good thing is that last minute, you had the 7 minutes that so you had the toe so no and a Kotoko penalty through Baba Yaya and the effort of Joseph Ablo and Uncle Pony defender no Shane it was deliberate. It was deliberate. Defender no Shane Kotoko player no ebo former and no buy no no say a penalty no e ma Asante Kotoko. Line up Kotoko do rem no. There be say no Kotoko enya 19 points. 19 points no Kotoko they are better for. Only baby any goal stars in our points na be 19 points. Na Kotoko 16 and then we win 3 points. 19 points. Now 19 points no. So Asante Kotoko ni baby any goal stars abe pe. And na the other first no Tima your friend no Mediama. Yes, 21 points. It is 19 points. And 21 points. The difference there say. Yeah, I think 3 points. It's Kotoko winning outstanding now or cool. Kotoko winning outstanding now. 19 points and 21 points. I think 2 points. Yes, 2 points in the Dortmund. And a Kotoko Sawa outstanding. So they are the 90s. Currently as we speak, next week Kotoko Bako Samates. So Kotoko Samates we are obetina or no ne Basaki Holy Stars are clean outstanding. It is a Kotoko to be winning outstanding no. Na unya good results ewo Basaki Holy Stars are automatically or the league in the top. it is early days, yes. Make I say, young first 10 games in we. The above first 10 games we are, you be decided, the Ebeko. So the other nine. Now, Kotoko lineup will do a game no. Aziz Aruna Dari, and Samba Uno, and Kwame Puku, Lord Hilary Adabo Estate, Morofin Dozu Estate, Hubert Joe Estate, Patrick Esiedu Estate, Baba Yaya Estate. Joseph Ablo Estate, Lord Amo Estate, Peter Miduakwa Estate, and on the bench, no, in Benjamin Kum, Samuel Tino Duan, Lord Listo Hene, and so Ebem, and Joseph Amwa, and so Etna bench, Lord Inusa Bemuleta, Zakaria Fuseni, and so Bemu, and Francis Aqua, also went me Ambem in the course of the game, and coach A changes man. I see a do Patrick, a free mama, Francis Aqua, Francis Aqua, Ebemu, Ebebo Treho, and Oyi, a double a free more, this Zakaria Fuseni by. Into ye a double free more, this Zakaria Fuseni by. And no ma Samba Une Kobo 6, because a double than able 6, and a Zakaria Fuseni, Ebebo 5. Sorry, you know. And no Kotoko, the press ya in the latter part of the minutes. And I say in the latter part of the game, Kotoko, Edinya, Bo, no, the penalty by Kotoko, winner. No. Then again, after young caught into the game, and Kasa, into the game, Kumasa Sante Kotoko. Yes, go sleep in about second half. Go sleep in about second half. Now, in the 51st minute, said the air cannon. 51st minute, no, and I go nearby. A year boa. Lord, Amwa, and a far ball on the right, or Chichian, Udiburem, and a year crossing. To a year crossing, and a goalkeeper, go for the goalkeeper, and Pubai. Only a year and a half, Donzo, at the current time, because Donzo tell me you're effective, no. Donzo, air peter, no, between keeper, and a Donzo Pia Bono, and my Kwame Puku, and a Kwame Puku so warso. It's Kwame Puku warso, no. And I ever told Hubert Joe, and I didn't mind Hubert Joe, no, or a very good player, they say. Or it doesn't waste time on the ball. Born a buy and a panang or my power drive and a cotton net and a good a buy. So Hubert Joe, another plus for him, and I think for now, or 3 goals in the Ghana Premier League. The goals, no, endorse some strikers in the Ghana Premier League, and even some strikers were something to call goals to change. So then I didn't know. Hubert Joe, as in be or wire, the Betuja. Now, go to buy, 52nd minute, and I'm for the take, for nya Bobby on the wings, and Omonsunya, yes, I know Muburem, and Richmond Upoku or Dawin, Richmond Upoku, former Kotoko player, one Gamanamo, and a buy, and as I say, no only Hubium, we can't go before finally or joining young apostle, as in Suatri Guiano, and a final, I'm told so joining young apostle. It's it. No, or take an asylum after the bone, then don't affair to the wrong hand and start for the pressure. Most of Santiago fans felt that the game was going to end in a draw because at a point, not Nipani Bikra a free stadium or until 7 minutes no so, and I Kotoko corner nearby. True Lord, I'm more effort near the idea. You 2 years, no, and that ball, no, and yet ball side crab, but the defender, no, for the defender, no, so Kotoko player, no, chain the ball from. So clearly, referee who say a penalty, and a penalty for Kobia Sante Kotoko boys are the captain of the side. Born and they drew any bread in Tikobasa, no, Donzo and Gojina home. The Donzo a striker, and he has only a man boy. But at this crucial time, the decision was that we are not going to let Donzo play this part, particular and a man, a ball, no, yes, sub captain. Samba will never ball, no, Koto at year 2-1. Now, Kwame Poku in the course of the game will free Muma Inusabem because Kwame Poku rusty. Kwame Poku very rusty. Clear chance, true ball be, and ye yima Kwame Poku. True ball ye yima Kwame Poku. Kwame Poku, and me, Anya born one tattoo, no yes, or say also. Or was one a born say. It's oh no. Kwame Poku, the 9, I was a very, very effective as a striker 9 because. As a striker, you don't delay on balls. You play a friend of Hubert Joe on your striker, but when your ball biana, he attempt on goal. This is a hallmark of a good player. Now, Coach Abdul Karim Zito, Bono, Saunim Coach, I use him. Sir, or strikers no are not pulling in for goals for you. This particular boy, Hubert Joe, you can make Hubert Joe your striker and say because already the midfield is packed. Said name Amuba. Na Emmanuel Nchimoba. Hubert Joe can be pushed forward as a full and full striker because no ability on the ball, no, he doesn't waste time. So, a strikers me no more anymore now. They are too slow, to be very honest. And hold that play and yet, hold that play and yet, me mo be a two of them, hold that play no. Especially Kwame Poku hold that play and yet, Donzo no. The touches be effective and or efficient. Though say the final touch to go no nenye. Into a situation be sana. Why not Rex player or midfielder or she goes no as a striker? When you play him as a striker, just imagine when he's been played as a midfielder, he scored 3 goals now. Just imagine when you put him in the attacking role and as say uncle bo no uncle bonche. So no kobosha ni goal rate never cost so obvious. So therefore another work for coach Abdul Karim Zito Ayino too no. If you are not having the strikers, you have a player who you can make a striker out of. Coaches make players. You have for across Europe near there. You were jono akra potential no. Ubetima convert no now the na be striker. O convert he will be joy striker. The goal scoring opportunities are they be a kuka and then o boa. Kwame Poku say na o dwen ho a wonti ase. O dwen ho a wonti ase. E did attempt and yen so e did attempt. So be a me hwe ball mu di na attempt san da be come say there be. Kwame Poku na o di na attempt no. There've been time wa she go ama Kotoko. It wasn't even a chance. When your chance no went man, it doesn't mean say or say osopa no we no. You get therefore you have to be patient with him. Na coach no decide say so be bench na no bench no ama obi foforo abeye say adwuma no. And just to add on this, Kwame Poku no offer injury never. People offer injury ba no. You cannot entirely blame him for mixing out, sir. But ultimately enso indefendent no because or striker so far say the Jesse na show. Now, this kind of chances, you don't mess it up. This kind of chances, you don't mess it up. Has for Nick can say, I just a penalty. Well, football, penalty room, the ulterior more council, Quabiso, and yet Tembiana was a team like young apostles about Kumasia. You should account for them. You don't let supporters sit on 10 towels. Watching a true game with 1-1 score line, then later part of the game, now Kotoko abenya penalty, Eddie Edna winning goal. This is not Kotoko we know. No credit there is a lot of work to do as far as this team is concerned. The other time, no big items say. The way we sign these players, it's about time we review the contract of these players. So in 3 games, if you fail to win, we should reduce your salary. Because the attitude of the players, to be very honest, and there is no way our country say still na a break. Even though Kotoko fixtures never bosso. And what do you call it? Outstanding games ne woman. Ama Kotoko fixtures na abe bosso 3 days, 4 days, 3 days, 4 days, and now Kotoko abu you know. The next game, Kosiada Obesabo, 4 days time. After Kosiada, Wednesday Obesabo, 3 days time. It is a point, but it is not a point enough for the players to relax. Say, your fixtures no you're congested, therefore you break. No, what break saying? Hey, Juma, what you two must obey. In Tisanga 2 days be a crowd match. You should deliver because a team like Young Apostle. And net your mode Kotoko be fair move about sports stadium, no. And your Kotoko Open League at performance near who you know. If you want to win the league, your home matches like this, you account for such teams. The other time I was making a point, say one Koshe has and bubble draw. Now when Young Apostles say bah, then also acquire who I am share. If you really want to win the league, It is not about sitting on tenterhooks waiting for a last minute penalty. It is about grinding results in the course of maybe first half. No we adwuma no. Na fi de wo de Joseph Amo am, wo de Nusamo, wo de Lord Henemo abem. That is a rest corona opposite players ni nya no. In the first half we adwuma na. Na fi want my players no rest. And the association football you can make about 5 changes. Into some players no feel this my bra. In the first half you go loud, you beat 0-2, 2-1 and I said 3-0 convincingly. Second half where you be free, or have a testy players are omutaye bench. Simple as that. But you don't struggle to beat young apostles and you want the fans to be excited about this particular one. So all in all, the good thing is that victory number. The moment victory number also here. The next one is more difficult than this one. Because the next one is against, I think, Samates away. Now Samates nobody wins who are standing on the Basaki Holy Star Sable. We need 2 games in na that league the top. And I never acquire Kotoko. I make sometimes game are heading because of Samates no be and also bit Bessie. But home games no so. Don't let the fans sit on tenterhooks. That's our problem. That's the biggest problem, as I say. Yeah, no, Coach Abdulkarim Zitokai, if you really want to win this particular league, your home games, you don't take chances. You account for teams like Young Apostles, Vision, Huan, now what kind of results? No, not to disrespect these particular teams, but if you're there, no washe, so that second half, Obana crowd person rested players are not what rested players. At the end of the game, we've won, and that's the most important thing. You can leave your comments. Nah, yeah,